Part two. So we got Ritz and cereal. I didn't have just cornflakes. I didn't have much like minor testing videos. Yeah. Okay, so just wanted to close the door because it's pretty loud, and yeah, let's get to it. Oh, that's clean. Okay, let's go to the next round. Ritz. Whoa! Wait, where did most of the crumbs go? Wait, do you guys see that? There's like more crumbs. I think it's like in the filter. I'll go check. Okay, so you can see there's a little bit, but I'm pretty sure all of it went to the filter. I'm gonna pause the video again. Okay, there we go. I'm pretty sure all the crumbs went in there. Oh, I was right. Oh my god. We'll dump this out. That's alright. There we go. I didn't really get to use the crevice tool. Yeah, I'm gonna try it right now. Ugh, there we go. I'm trying on my couches. Daddy, that's so much Legos. Are you really building all of that? Oh, let's say no. You know what? Never mind. Okay, let's try it. Daddy, be quiet. Okay, let's see what we got. Mostly nothing, but okay. Oh, this is pretty strong power. Oh, we got that. Oh. Yeah, that is pretty cool. Yeah, where I do all the testing with all my vacuums. I think that's gonna be like probably my next video. This is not Daredevil, Black & Decker. The other wet dry hand vacuum I have in my house. Yeah. Yeah. So, like and follow. Man, I don't watch TikTok too much. I mean, like and subscribe, and
Jackson.
Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Yeah. So. Yeah. I have no idea what else to say. Oh yeah. Comment whatever vacuum you guys want me to get. Can we get anything? And I'll see if I can get it in the next video. Yeah. Yeah, so bye-bye.